how to use crutches, non-weight bearing.
Okay. In this video we're going to discuss how to walk with crutches, non-weight bearing. In the previous video we did partial weight bearing and full weight bearing. But in many cases, especially in acute injury, the doctor or the physio might say you are non-weight bearing, meaning that the injured leg, which is in this case my right leg, is not allowed to take any weight at all. So that might be for anywhere from 2 to 12 weeks, depends on the nature of your injury and then the instructions of the doctor or the physio. So when walking with crutches non-weight bearing, firstly we need to make sure the height of our crutches are correct. Usually the crutch, the handle of the crutch, should be at the bend of your wrist. So when I stand up straight, this crutch is at the bend of my wrist, meaning it's at the right height. When we stand up with crutches, non-weight bearing, so this is now my non-weight bearing, this is my injured leg. Let's say I broke my ankle, they operated it, they put on a back slap or a moon boot. It needs to stay there for 6 weeks and I am non-weight bearing for 6 weeks. So to stand up with your crutches need to be together, holding there, other hand supporting on the bed or the chair, then I can stand up. The injured leg, it's allowed to touch the floor so that you don't lose your balance, but you're not allowed to put weight on it. So it's fine to touch just to balance yourself, but don't put weight on it. So once you're up, then you can insert your crutches, one crutch, then the opposite crutch, and then you're ready to walk. So now the injured leg needs to stay in the air. Your crutches should be about the height of your shoulders. A little bit wider is fine, but not too wide, also not too narrow. You need to have space for your feet. Your hands also should not turn inward, they need to stay straight. Then when walking with crutches, very easy, just your crutches, and then you walk. 1, 2, 1, 2. When you turn bit by bit. Don't turn all together at once, you're going to lose your balance. You always turn bit by bit. Also very importantly, when you're going forward, when I put my crutches there, it's always best to hop to the level of your crutches. What a lot of patients tend to do, they'll put the crutches here and then they hop all the way there. You're going to lose your balance from there because it's an unstable position, so trying to lift from there, it's easy to lose my balance. So it's always recommended, crutches, up to the crutches. Crutches, up to the crutches. You turn bit by bit. Now when climbing steps, going up, we first go with the foot, then your crutches. Foot, crutches. Foot, crutches. Just like that, 1, 2. When going down, you would go first with your crutches, and then the foot. First your crutches, then the foot. First your crutches, then your foot. So that's going up and down steps. If you've been walking for a while and you get tired, it's fine for the injured leg just to touch the floor, just to balance yourself. But again, I do not put any weight on the foot. I just put it down on the floor just to balance myself. And then when sitting down, you first take out your crutches. One crutch, then the opposite crutch. Put them together. Slide the injured leg forward, and then you can sit down.